Making fresh baby food at home can save money and give you total control over ingredients, but only if you have the right machine. Today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best baby food makers, from all-in-one steamers to budget-friendly blender kits, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen and your baby. Number 1. NutriBullet Baby Steam Plus Blend. First up is the NutriBullet Baby Steam Plus Blend, a true all-in-one option. This machine lets you steam and blend in the same bowl, which means fewer dishes and less cleanup. I love the dial control. You can steam, pulse, manually blend, or let the automatic steam and blend cycle do everything for you. It's powerful, compact, and great for customizing textures. Pros: all-in-one steaming and blending, multiple texture controls, dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: pricier than basic blender systems, plastic work bowl. If convenience and minimal mess are your top priorities, this is a strong premium pick. Number 2. NutriBullet Baby Complete Food Making System. Next is the NutriBullet Baby Complete Food Making System, and this one's all about value. It doesn't steam, but it includes everything you need: a batch bowl, storage cups with date dials, a freezer tray, and even a recipe book. It's lightweight, simple, and perfect for parents who batch prep and freeze meals. Pros: excellent value for money, tons of storage accessories, easy to use and clean. Cons: no steaming function, lower power motor. A great choice if you want affordable, no-frills baby food prep. Number 3. BEABA Babycook Neo. Now, for the luxury option, the BEABA Babycook Neo. This uses glass and stainless steel, which is a huge plus for parents avoiding plastic. It steams, blends, reheats, and defrosts, all while preserving nutrients thanks to its elevated steam basket. It's beautifully designed and built to last. Pros: glass bowl and stainless steel parts, true steam cooking for better nutrition, large capacity for batch cooking. Cons: very expensive, heavier, and less compact. If budget isn't an issue and materials matter most, this is top tier. Number 4. Nuby Mighty Blender with Cookbook. Coming in next is the Nuby Mighty Blender, a 22-piece baby food kit designed for different weaning stages. You can make smooth purees, chunkier blends, or even mill cereals. It's versatile and comes with tons of accessories for prep, storage, and feeding. Pros: excellent for baby-led weaning stages, lots of included accessories, budget-friendly price. Cons: no built-in steaming, not dishwasher safe. A solid all-around kit if you like hands-on food prep. Number 5. EVLA'S Baby Food Maker. Last but not least is EVLA'S Baby Food Maker, a feature-packed all-in-one machine. It steams, blends, purees, and even self-cleans, which is a lifesaver for busy parents. The touchscreen controls are intuitive, and it comes with reusable food pouches right out of the box. Pros: self-cleaning function, touchscreen controls, steaming and blending in one. Cons: takes up more counter space, mostly plastic construction. Perfect for parents who want modern features and easy cleanup. Whether you want premium materials, an all-in-one steamer, or a budget-friendly starter kit, one of these baby food makers will fit your needs. Check the links below for current prices, and let me know which one you'd choose for your baby.